seals, drones and social media. At Aberdeen Science Festival, I'll be revealing how these unlikely tools come together to tell the story of wildlife and tourism along the Aberdeenshire coast. At Forvey National Nature Reserve, home to Newburgh's famous seal beach, my research explores what brings people here, how they share their visits online, and what that means for the seals. By combining drone surveys with geotagged posts, we can see how human activity shapes this incredible coastline, helping us protect the wildlife while keeping it a place for everyone to enjoy. Want to see how it all connects? Find out more at aberdeenmarinemammal.org and join me at the festival. Details at aberdeenperformingarts.com.